is a video to help with learning how to clap and then play this rhythm, and there'll be a number of exercises to work through. I want you to say purple, but in quite a peculiar way. I want the purr to be long and the pull to be short, but it's got to be exactly the right length and in proportion. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to say purr, pull. Okay, so it's purr, pull. So I'm going to say that a few times and you saying it along with me. Purr, pull, purr, pull, purr, pull, purr, pull. Should we try that again? Purr, pull, purr, pull, purr, pull, purr, pull. Great. Here's exercise 2. We're going to say the same thing, but we're going to clap and just on the sort of ordinary bits of the word. So we're going to clap on the purr and the pull, but we're not going to clap on the that's in the middle. So I'll show you what I mean. Purr, pull, 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 purr, pull. Should we try that again? Purr, pull, 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 purr, pull. Great. Here's exercise 3. We're now going to add in the word blue. So we're going to go pull, blue, pull, blue. And if you might be able to hear or sort of sense that the blue is the same length as the whole of the pull. Okay? So let's try this. Pull, blue, pull, blue, pull, blue, pull, blue. So almost what's going on inside you is that you're feeling that pulse. So it's like pull, blue, boom, 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 pull, blue, boom, 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 pull, blue, boom, boom, boom. But obviously we're not actually going to say the boom, boom, boom. That's kind of going on inside you. Okay, so let's just try this again. Pull, blue, pull, blue, pull, blue, pull, blue. Okay, so here is exercise 4. What we're going to do this time is we're going to say the pull, blue, but we're going to clap, same as we did before, on the purr and the pull, but this time we're going to clap on the blue as well. And remember, you don't clap on the Okay, here we go. Pull, blue, 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 pull, blue. So if you just wanted to learn how to clap that rhythm, you're all done. That's you. So well done. Brilliant work. If you are watching this video because you're interested in playing Mary-Louise Napier's piece, so you're one of my harp students that's been working on this, then carry on listening. So now we're going to take it to the harp and try and play. So I'm going to put my thumb on F. Now my middle C is down here, so this isn't the F above middle C, it's the F above that. And then we miss 2 strings, and then you can either use your second finger or you can use your third finger, depending on what you find more comfortable. I'm going to use my third finger, but it's fine to use your second finger. And the thumb is going to play the aspects of purple, and the third finger or the second finger is going to play the blue. Okay, so your thumb is going to have to play and then go straight back on again. So I'll show you the purple, blue. Okay. Pull, blue, pull, blue. Do you want to try that? We could try it a bit slower maybe. Pull, blue, pull, blue. Okay, and that's your rhythm, and the notes are going to change a bit as you go through the piece. So it shifts down, for example, and then it shifts back up again. But what we're looking at here is really this rhythm. So I'll just do it once more. Pull, blue, pull, blue. Okay, and then the next stage after that, which would be exercise 6, would be playing but not saying the words out loud. but you want to keep saying them in here, keep saying them in your head, and that'll keep you in time. So I'll show you. Okay, well done.